Are you looking for seamless integration and efficient communication in your marine network setup? Look no further than the Nmea 2000 MultiPort T connector. Designed to interface flawlessly with a range of certified networks including Lowrance, Simrad, BNG, Navico, and Garmin, this connector is a game-changer for marine communication systems. Its specific function in serving as the backbone termination ensures optimal network performance. What sets this connector apart is its superior design. With a 4-way T connector and nuts, installation becomes a breeze, simplifying the network setup process significantly. Plus, its 5-pin configuration and IP67 waterproof rating guarantee durability and reliability even in the harshest weather conditions. Whether you're on a ship or a yacht, this connector facilitates efficient two-way communication between main and branch lines, essential for onboard control systems. The Nmea 2000 MultiPort T connector from Tbest is a critical component for any marine enthusiast or professional seeking top-notch performance and durability in their communication and control systems. Don't settle for subpar connections. Upgrade to the MultiPort T connector and experience seamless marine networking like never before. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.